Happy New Year to Ticker TV viewers from Dealmoney family. Myself Brijesh Bhatia here, heading the research desk. So 2019 has been the good for bulls, and we have seen Sensex rising around 14% and Nifty around 20%. But if you look at the US markets, which rose around 25%, and even other Asian indices, we have seen a good rally on the upside, with Shanghai gaining around 22%. The rally was not only up to around equities, but we have also seen commodities markets being rising aggressively. So gold we have seen after long time rallying back to about $1,500 in 2018, and a whooping rally of around 18% is gold after a long time. I guess it was around since 2011-12 we have seen huge rally coming in with the gold of around 18%, and silver was also not left out, which has gained around 15%. But if we just look at the top of the town, or I would say the concern where most of the countries are targeting, or even if you look at the crude basket, which is the one where the eyes are all from each and every country, it has also risen around 35%, the WTI crude, which we have seen gaining about back to about $60 in WTI. So what's in store for 2020? We think first quarter might see some sluggishness, or I would say a negative bias, as we have already reached our Bank Nifty's video on the short side, where we are expecting around 30,500 on the downside, and you can check the previous links for that video. We are also expecting Nifty to slight retraced from around 12,300 levels back to around 11,800, 11,700 in first quarter of the 2020. Probably we are not turning out to be the bearish structurally. We are just expecting a retracement rally, because we have already seen good upside momentum on the markets, right from around 11,400, 500 back to 11,800, where small hurdle was there, and from there it was no turning back for markets to 12,300 levels. I think if I just look at these Nifty 50 stocks, which has been rising, and it was nearly 810 stocks, considering the weightage, it has seen a strong upside momentum. What the recent momentum, what we are witnessing is that a major of the Nifty stocks are witnessing RSI negative divergence, and that's the slight concern for us. Where if you look at the Reliance, if you look at the TCS, if you look at the HDFC, if you look at the ICICI, even if they are trading at the all-time high, we are witnessing some negative divergence, and we have seen this again back to in November and December in HUL, where the stock has again seen a good amount of fall. So similar kind of structure might come in from these stock, which might push Nifty on the downside. Even if you look at the Bank Nifty, if you look at the structural momentum, it has a history, if like 24 months of history. When it deviates around 12-13% from its 200 average, it slightly retraces back to the lower levels. So I would repeat again, we are not expecting a bearish bias in 2020, but we are expecting a retracement move from around 3 to 5% on the downside, and then we might see again a rally on the positive side. But overall, we think 2020 might stands out to be a very positive year for equity markets, and we might see a good rally again. Possibly we might see Nifty testing back to around 14,000 level or 13,800 by the end of 2020. So have a good year, and hope it's turning out to be very bullish year for each and everyone. Thank you.